Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple pages in Canva. So head over to canva.com and log into your account. You can choose any design size that you want to use. For example, a presentation, a document, or any custom size. For this tutorial, let's use a blank presentation project. So inside the editor, go to the left sidebar and click on Projects. Here, you can see all of your previous Canva designs. Click on See All, so we can choose which design we would like to combine in our current project. For example, let's use this one. Click on it. So before adding this design, make sure you create a new blank page first. After which, you can either click on Apply all 10 pages, or click a specific page. For example, I've added the first page only. Let's go ahead and undo this. This helps you avoid overwriting pages that you've already worked on. Let's click on Apply All. And as you can see here, it has added all 10 pages. Let's go ahead and create a new blank page again and put this in front. Let's add a text. There we go. So to add more designs, just repeat the same process. Go back to Projects and choose another design. Again, make sure you create a new blank page on the start and at the end. Let's go ahead and add this one. So this one has 7 pages. I'll add 7 new blank pages. There we go. I've added new 7 pages. Now for this design, I'll be manually adding each page one by one. Let's go ahead and add the first page, second page, and so on and so forth. There we go. Always make sure that you are on a blank page before applying the design, so nothing from the previous designs or the blank page that you created gets replaced. So if you accidentally overwrite a page, you can simply click Undo or the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Z. There we go. From here, you can continue editing, rearrange pages, or download your final design. You can either download a PDF standard or a PowerPoint presentation. Click Download, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.